Welcome back to my Vlogmas series. Today is Vlogmas day 2 and I'm taking you along for a super productive festive day. Cooking something delicious, unboxing a few exciting items, and packing an order for one of my lovely clients. So grab a cozy drink and enjoy spending the day with me. So I will start by making some pancake. I have kiwi and banana. This is my first time of trying out this recipe. I'll just go ahead to peel off the banana and the kiwi and then mash this up. Now I'll be adding the egg. If you have watched up to this moment, please go ahead to subscribe, like, and share. I'm the type that don't like kiwi, so I find out that this is the best option for me to inculcate kiwi into one of my recipe or into my routine. So look out for the full video. I will be uploading that separately. So after mixing everything, now I added some butter into a clean pan. I'll just go ahead to scoop that into my pan and then allow to cook for a few minutes, and then I will flip the other side up. Guys, are you the type that like kiwi or you don't like it? Please let me know in the comment section. Now after cooking, this is what we have. I'll just go ahead to add some maple syrup and then I will enjoy my pancake. This was so yummy and so delicious. Will you be trying this? Let me know in the comment section. Moving over to the unboxing things, I got this item from TikTok. If you're not following me on TikTok, please go ahead and follow me up. I will be leaving my TikTok handle down below. Okay, guys, there are so many lovely things you get from TikTok shop, and do well to follow me. Okay, guys, and if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much. Now, the next thing, I will be cooking some shrimps or prawns using my hair fryer. I went ahead to add lasso seasoning. Now, I'll be adding some olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Meanwhile, I've already deboned all my shrimps. Okay, now I'll just mix that up. I have uploaded this video already on my YouTube short. Go and check this out. Now go ahead to place that into my air fryer and then air fry this. Guys, it was so yummy and so delicious. It was my first time as well to air fry my shrimps. So guys, will you be trying this as well? What have you used your hair fryer to do? Let me know in the comment section. This is what we have after frying it. Now I will be packing some orders for my lovely customer. Yes, I'm into hair. I sell human hair, luxury hairs, affordable wigs, unit. If you are looking for where to buy good hair, please do well to patronize me. My TikTok handle, I'll be leaving it. Even my Instagram handle, I'll be leaving it behind. Okay, guys. Now, I went ahead to pack this order for a client. Also, I do wig revamping, I do coloring, I do styling. If you are looking for where to revamp your wig, please do well to check me out on my Instagram and on my TikTok page. Okay, guys. So this client of mine bought three hairs from me, three luxury hairs. So I'm just doing some packaging for her so that I can send it to her, which I did today, the 2nd of December. So this is me packaging it right now for her. So guys, if you are watched up to this moment, please do well to subscribe, like, and share, and follow me for more for a beautiful content. Now I added some beautiful gifts for her. So see you in my next video, guys, and keep eating good food and keep loving yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.